For me, yung sa love one another, ano yung tanong ko, sir? How do we love one another? For me, the biggest, or the greatest love na hinad sa atin na example ni Jesus ay oh, sacrifice. Kasi I'm a believer of if you really love someone, you will have to sacrifice, whether big or small. Because if you really love that person, you're willing to sacrifice anything, just like how Jesus sacrificed his life for us.
At na-mention din yung ni Jesus doon that ang pagmamahal natin, there is no greater love than a man laying his life for his friends, no? Meaning, the evidence para kay Ed, the evidence of love is when we sacrifice something. Ano yung mga sacrifice na pwede nating ibigay? Anong other term ng sacrifice?
Taking a risk.
Offering? Parang feel mo? Offering. Diba sabi sa Bible ay, yung buhay natin, ibigay natin as living sacrifice that ye may prove what is that good. Di ba yun? That ye present your body as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. So, loving means sacrificing. Talaga. It's our service to the Lord. Kasi gusto natin ay comfort, di ba? Pero we cannot love if we stay comfortable.
Yes.
If we don't reach out to the least of these, my brethren. Yan.